Tesla now sells Model Y cover both outdoor and indoor. The indoor cover is $230 for the Model Y, while the price of the Tesla Model Y outdoor cover is $300. Now, should you take the indoor cover or the outdoor cover for your Model Y? Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com with another Tesla report. Please subscribe to our channel as I'm going to tell you more about the Tesla Model Y covers, and ring the notification bell because later today I'm going to bring you another interesting Tesla story. And also please like this video to show your appreciation of all the work that goes in making these videos and all the people that help me to provide these reports. Now, Tesla Model Y indoor cover's description reads the following. The indoor cover: stretch satin fits your Tesla like a glove, hugging its contours and protecting the paint finish from dings, scratches, and dust that are imminent with indoor storage. Convenient charge port openings allow for connection to an outlet, and ventilated mesh allow for airflow while charging. Tesla Model Y outdoor cover's description reads the following: shield your Tesla from the harshest of elements with this outdoor car cover. With a middle layer of thermoplastic polyurethane and two other layers of woven polyester, the cover allows for breathability while providing the best water resistance available today. Convenient charge port openings allow for connection to an outlet, and ventilated mesh allow for airflow while charging. Very interesting, isn't it? The prices are $230 to $300. Now, which type of cover should you take for your Model Y? If you are going to use your Tesla Model Y outside, I would definitely get the outdoor. It's still not very expensive or hard to put on, take off, and fold, but it's super tough even if birds shit on it every day. One Model Y owner says his cover has taken a full year of abuse and it looks basically new if it gets washed off by a hard rain. He probably refers to his Model 3. Some people may think it's a pain and hassle to put on and off the cover, but if you park outside every day on a tree-lined street, you will want a cover. Here's why. You probably have seen neighbors who have Hondas, Lexuses, Toyotas, etc., and all have rusty hoods and or roofs, while cars with a cover are rust-free. I have heard from one Tesla Model 3 owner that it's totally worth the hassle. They say it only takes them a minute to roll it up and stash it in the under trunk. Indoor cover may still be nice for your Model Y as well if you don't drive every day to keep the dust off, as the description said. It depends on how much you like having a shiny car and clear windshield, I guess, huh? Well, friends, thanks for watching. Let me know if you use a cover on your Tesla Model Y, Model 3, Model S, or Model X, and what has been your experience, or you think it's worth it, $230 or $300 for the outdoor Model Y cover. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for my evening Tesla coverage. Have a blessed rest of the day. Stay well and take good care of each other. God bless you all.